Looking for the best spray gun or cordless pressure washer in 2026? In this video, we compare 5 versatile tools designed for painting, cleaning, cement spraying, and automotive projects. From portable cordless pressure washers to professional HVLP paint sprayers and mortar spray guns, these tools help homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals complete jobs faster with precision and efficiency. Number 5. Professional HVLP Gravity Feed Spray Gun Kit. This professional HVLP gravity feed spray gun features durable steel nozzles available in multiple sizes, including 1.4 mm, 1.7 mm, 2.0 mm, and 2.5 mm, designed for automotive painting, furniture finishing, primers, and clear coats. It delivers consistent spray patterns and excellent paint transfer efficiency. Its ergonomic design and Number 4. WENXING Professional HVLP Spray Gun. The WENXING Professional HVLP Spray Gun is designed for automotive refinishing, woodworking, and industrial painting. Available with multiple nozzle sizes from 0.8 mm to 2.0 mm, it delivers precise atomization and smooth paint application while minimizing overspray. Its gravity feed design improves paint efficiency and finish quality, making it an excellent choice for professional painters, body shops, and workshop applications. Number 3. Cordless HVLP Electric Paint Sprayer. This cordless HVLP paint sprayer delivers smooth and consistent paint coverage for furniture, cabinets, fences, walls, doors, and home improvement projects. Powered by Makita 18V batteries, it eliminates the need for air compressors or extension cords. Adjustable spray patterns and flow control provide precise results, while the lightweight design reduces fatigue, making painting faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Number 2. For Hole Cement Mortar Spray Gun. Built for construction and renovation work, this 4-hole pneumatic cement spray gun provides fast and even application of mortar, plaster, stucco, and concrete mixtures. Its durable metal construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the multiple spray outlets improve efficiency and reduce labor time. Ideal for wall rendering, grouting, and repair projects, it's a valuable tool for contractors and serious DIY builders. Number 1. PATUOPRO Cordless High Pressure Washer. The PATUOPRO Cordless High Pressure Washer is a portable cleaning solution compatible with Makita 18V batteries. Featuring a powerful motor and a versatile 6-in-1 adjustable spray nozzle, it easily handles car washing, patio cleaning, garden watering, windows, outdoor furniture, and more. Its lightweight cordless design offers excellent mobility, making it perfect for home, camping, and outdoor cleaning tasks without the need for These 5 spray tools offer excellent performance for cleaning, painting, construction, and automotive applications. Whether you need a cordless pressure washer, an HVLP paint sprayer, or a professional mortar spray gun, these versatile tools provide reliable performance, efficient operation, and outstanding value for DIY users, homeowners, and professionals alike.